Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you want cleaner air at home, the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier app claims to make monitoring simple. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's just a control app, but the surprising truth is it provides filter status updates, air quality tracking, and maintenance reminders, giving you a complete overview of your purifier's performance. Pros: users love that the app shows real-time air quality data, filter live notifications, and easy integration with smart home devices. You can also schedule purifier operation and track historical air quality trends, which is great for allergy sufferers or those in urban environments. The cons: some report connectivity issues, especially with older devices, and if you note that the app interface can be slightly confusing for first-time users. Others mention that not all advanced settings are accessible via the app, requiring manual adjustments. In short, the pros are air quality tracking, filter alerts, and smart home integration, while the cons are connectivity issues and limited advanced settings. The takeaway: Shark NeverChange Air Purifier Review app is a useful companion for keeping your home's air clean, but occasional manual checks may still be necessary. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more smart home and appliance insights.